This U-shaped scissor lifting platform fits installation and commissioning operations of all kinds of equipment, delivering stable durability, high efficiency, and hassle-free operation. The unit features a 3-section combined tabletop equipped with extensible expansion structures to flexibly adapt to diverse working conditions. Its integrated U-shaped anti-slip tabletop ensures slip-proof operation. All metal components are chamfered and polished, covered with anti-corrosion coatings for outstanding toughness and prolonged service life. The lifting platform is fitted with a 4-layer safety protection system, consisting of travel limit control, hydraulic safety interlock, cylinder self-protection, and sensor anti-collision, which thoroughly avoids all operational risks. The complete unit is composed of 3 platform segments, A, B, and C. Its overall dimension is 5,540 mm times 6,400 mm. Platforma is sized 5,540 mm to 1,700 mm. And both Platform B and Platform C are 3,700 mm times 1,000 mm. Standard configurations include 125% overload alarm and machine lockout, safety guardrails, and fault locking devices to prevent platform falling. A manual emergency lowering function allows safe descent under power failure or pressure loss, providing comprehensive safety protection for both operators and equipment. Should you have any relevant demands, please feel free to contact us.